Hi everyone! I'm so excited to fill you in on an upcoming giveaway that we're hosting. What if I told you we'll redo the flooring in one of your rooms for free? We'll be replacing up to 300 square feet of flooring, which is a typical 15 by 20 foot room, with the new flooring of your choice. We're offering this to one lucky winner with our new Ugly Floor contest. Participants will submit photos of the ugliest room in their home. Then on Sunday, March 29th at 12 o'clock noon, we'll randomly select a winner from the top 10 finalists at our warehouse sale. To win, you must be present during the drawing. The winner will then shop for their new flooring right away with the help of one of our designers. To participate, tag 3 friends on this post. Next, post a photo to your social media of the room in your home with the ugliest flooring. Lastly, don't forget to tag @RussmerFloors in the caption along with the hashtag #UglyFloorContest. You won't want to miss this event. Even if you weren't selected for the top prize, we'll have prizes for the runner-ups. Good luck! We can't wait to see your submissions.